Welcome to another very exciting 5-minute auto parrying. So, just one guitar, give it to me. Let's take care and do this. Offering C3, which I'll play Queen E2, but no one's ever taken on C3, unfortunately. So we have this position, which I have seen before. Aha! He is taking on C3. So I think we have a dynamic, aggressive position. Is it worth inserting knight B5? It might be. Queen D5, knight C7, queen moves back. A takes. Then I get things like rook D1. Queen E6, knight C7. I'll insert this. I hope it's going to be okay. Does he just kick it with A6? Actually, I can threaten now. Bishop B6, rook A8, knight C7. Interesting. Yeah, this is fairly dynamic, aggressive. Knight D5 moving again, pieces which he probably doesn't want to move. Knight G5, bishop moves, queen H5. Bishop F4 here. What about this bishop F4 here? Is he really going to play F6? Seems to have got on the back foot. F6. Queen C4. He's going to open himself up. He's not going to castle. Surely this is very interesting. Okay, he's going to kick my queen and try and castle. Knight B6, queen E6, queen C8. I don't want to lose too much time, but it would have been nice to have something concrete. This position, can I maybe take and then take on A7? Or maybe he's going to take on B2 just to be really annoying. Queen G4 castles. Queen E6 check is not doing anything there, right? Hang on. In that position, I've got knight D6 check. Knight B6, queen E6. I'm threatening knight D6 if queen C8, knight D6. Can't do that. In which case, is he going back to A6, A6, A6? Yeah, Knight c3, knight b6, queen e6, queen c8. Still, okay, he's using time on the clock here. Okay, I'll take that. I'll take this just to get b4 control. He's not really castling queenside, is he? Yeah, he can just be annoying. I'll go queen g4. I'm not going for a draw. I'm going queen g4. Queen c5, queen g4. Let's play on. Let him castle. I get queen e6 in, and then rook d1. Maybe knight h4, g6. Okay. I think c4 is that terrible. I really want to play actually b4, b5 to dislodge the knight. I'll do this instead because I want to actually get a rook to the 7th as well. If he's going to take it here, it might help a rook to the 7th in this position with the king there. Go on, take a pawn. Let me have some initiative. Don't then.
Check.
It's nice. 94 to c6. Oh, he's going to try and get the queens off. It's a nice check here. Rook e5. Oh, it's check for knight d8. That's nice.
Check.
That's knight d8.
Check.
Yes. I've always wanted to get a dynamic position from the Smith-Morra. That line in particular, it's harder. You've got to be a bit crazy with knight a3. This was, engine thinks it's not good there for some reason. What have I done wrong here? Yes, small point in taking the pawn. There's a tail game like that I could have taken this pawn. It just ties up rooks if you take that sort of pawn, potentially. Okay, so I didn't want to do this because I thought my counterplay's gone down. He's blockaded. I'm giving him a natural blockade. I'd rather just give him a couple of the pawns to lift any blockade scenario. This is definitely looking, from my point of view, the engine doesn't like it yet. No, bishop e5 it likes. Okay.
Check.
Yeah, I thought this stuff is dangerous as well. I should have been checking that as well. But this looks simple. Alright, this looks crushing. Oh, knight takes e5 check.
Check.
Is it to win the rook? Oh no, it's king safety as well. And A7, yeah, it is pretty good
Check.
to win that. Knight
Check.
E5 check is given.
Check.
Oh, for winning the rook. That's simple.
Check.
This is a
Check.
neat one anyway, I thought. Okay. Alright, I like that one. Hope you did. Comments, questions, likes, appreciated. Nice fork in the end. Knight D8. Okay. Thanks very much.